Hi there, thank you. And okay, so this is the template that we will be working on for our work stream. Okay, so based upon that, as you can see that this part is basically the data table where we enter the data, and this will reflect the Gantt chart. Okay, so all starts from the start date here. Right now we can see that it's on 1st December. If we just change that date to any particular date, it will transform that date. So for example, I'm changing it to the 1st January to the 23. So starting that, the Gantt chart will automatically be changed to that part. Okay, so just need to start from the calendar wherever we would like to, and you can use this sheet on multiple projects as well. Okay, then I have a retransform into December again, and this is how our work stream will be written. And say suppose we have a work stream of like work stream 1 and work stream 2, and it have say suppose 10 tasks for now, since I don't know what actually the work stream of your system right now. So I've just entered work stream 1 with the 10 number of tasks, and work stream number 2 also 10 number of tasks, and same way we can create multiple work stream, whatever 10, 12, and whatever work stream would like to have, we can add that work stream in here. And once we add that work stream, and then we just need to enter the task name and the detail here. So if I just write the detail like 1 2020, sorry, 112 2022, I just need to simply type the dates in here, and it automatically gives the schedule, and 15 12 to 22. You can see this chart is automatically being prepared from 1st of December till 15th of December. And let me put more tasks so I can make distinguish in here. So the next task may be starting from 17 12 2022 to maybe 24 12 2022. So you can see another task is being prepared on here. Okay, and if we add more tasks like 28 12 22 till maybe 05 01 and 23. Okay, so I have three tasks right now, and all those tasks are basically covering under work stream 1. So you can see the work stream 1 is having three tasks right now, and I just enter more a specific responsible person, whatever be the A person, A or person B whatever. And if the person in completion has been completed the task, we just need to put 100 here. It will transform into a red. As you can see this work stream in here, this is like 50%, we just put a 50% here, and this is not started, which has keep it on 0 right now. So you can see that this is completed is showing in green, this is 50, it's incomplete in process, it's showing as blue, and this 50, so this 100 is 0 is not a start, it's showing as gray. And as whole the work stream 1 should be 38%, because we have these percentages that has been averaged. So you can see this is like showing number of in here. So say suppose your work stream have lesser number of tasks like 5 tasks, so just need to double click on that and reduce this to your framework wherever you would like to, but keeping the 10 also works fine, no issues. If you want to add more tasks, simply just need to task 1. So that is it. So that completes our complete work plan. Now the visuals can be more better seen if you just press this one in here. You can see our summary view of workstream, like the workstream 1 in here and workstream in 2, since we only have 2 workstream. And if you press that one particular above here, it will show you the graph in that particular view. So you can see that compressed form of which shows the weekly number of tasks, and we have a cushion of completing at almost like for 12 to 13 months of cushion in that sheet. So that is totally in, and we just go to back to that part. So we just press 2 and press 2, so we will be on the that track. If you just only want to see the weeks plan, so just press 1 in here and just plan your activities accordingly. So that is it in total. So there's a complex formula, but you don't need to go into that part. You just need to fill your dates in here. You may need any support, any help, or any amendment. I'm already am fully available at the back end of your support. Thank you very much for your kind time, and if there are more work for the administration work, please let me know. I'm also available for that. Thank you very much.